unclear. Some clients will worry about the quality of our machine. So today I want to show you our maintenance process. This is a very important step to keep the machine in great condition. And now here we go. He is our professional engineer and he is responsible for maintenance. In the process, the first step is to change and check the engine oil. The second step is to check the electric system. This step is to make sure all the buttons will give feedback quickly. The final step is to check all the timing parts, including the track. We will make sure if it will be too tight or too loose. And finish all the steps. We will do the final cleaning to the whole machine and it will be ready for transportation. The above are our maintenance process. And in addition to the daily maintenance, we will also do a final comprehensive inspection and maintenance before transportation. All of these are to give you our best machine and the best service.